Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on a school computer. We'll explore several methods to enjoy your favorite block building game, even with network restrictions. First, we'll look at browser-based options that require no installation. Then, we'll dive into unblocked game sites and cloud gaming platforms. Finally, we'll discuss portable versions and important considerations for responsible play. This guide offers practical tips for enjoying Minecraft during your free time. Browser-based Minecraft is one of the simplest ways to play without installing anything. Many sites host free versions that run directly in your web browser, often replicating the original game's look and feel. Just open your browser and search for terms like Minecraft Classic or Unblocked Minecraft. Remember to choose well-known, secure websites to protect your computer from any unwanted software. This method is quick and usually bypasses common school network filters. Next, consider unblocked game websites, which are specifically designed to circumvent school network restrictions. These platforms often feature a wide array of games, including many Minecraft-like experiences. Another powerful option is cloud gaming. Services can stream the full version of Minecraft directly to your browser, requiring no local installation. For the best experience with cloud gaming, ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection, ideally with at least 25 megabits per second download speed. Finally, for a more direct approach, some versions of Minecraft can be run portably from a USB flash drive. This means no installation is needed on the school computer itself, leaving no trace behind. Simply plug in your drive and launch the game. However, it's crucial to always respect your school's technology policies. Remember to prioritize your studies and use these methods responsibly during designated free time, ensuring your academic success comes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.